Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something truly exciting to discuss: the incredible benefits of owning a travel tripod for your photography adventures. Before I explain why I think every photographer should have a travel tripod, I want to share one that I personally have began to use for all my staycations and long trips. It's a lightweight travel tripod by Small Rig. The Small Rig Tripod APO2 is made of aluminum with square-shaped leg tubes and an innovative center column designed for maximum compactness, making it a perfect travel tripod. The tripod weighs only 2.54 pounds and has 1.97-inch storage diameter and is 20.8 inches when it's folded, making it so easy for you to take, well, pretty much anywhere. The travel tripod has a maximum bearing capacity of 17.6 pounds, which is going to be more than enough for most cameras. One of the most innovative features of the Small Rig Tripod APO2 is that it's equipped with 3 innovative expansion threaded holes. This allows you to easily mount additional equipment directly to the tripod, like your cell phone mount, your microphone, your monitor, or any sort of image transmission equipment. Heck, even your extra additional lighting, like a LED light. Okay, so that's the current travel tripod that I personally use. Now, let's get to the reasons why you should have a travel tripod for yourself. Stunning shots anytime, anywhere. Picture this: you're exploring a picturesque mountain range, or capturing a stunning sunset, or even taking portraits in low light. A travel tripod empowers you to achieve sharp, clear, and well-composed shots in challenging conditions. Stability is key. One of the most significant advantages of a travel tripod is stability. Even the slightest handshake can result in blurry images, especially when you're hand holding it. With a travel tripod, you can say goodbye to those shaky shots and hello to professional quality images. Long exposure magic. Ever wondered how photographers capture those mesmerizing lights, trails, or silky waterfalls? The secret is long exposure, and a travel tripod is your ticket to achieving those kind of magical effects. Creative composition. Composing your shots creatively can transform an ordinary scene into an extraordinary one. A travel tripod's adjustable height and various angles allow you to experiment with different perspectives and create visually engaging photographs. Self-portraits and group photos. No more asking strangers to take your photos when you're on your next vacation. With a travel tripod, you can easily set up your camera for stunning self-portraits and group shots, capturing those precious moments with everyone included, and that means you as well. Focus on you. Video versatility. It's not just about photography. A travel tripod enhances your videography as well. Whether you're a vlogger, content creator, or simply documenting your journey, a stable camera setup is crucial for professional looking video. Compact and portable design. Worried about carrying a bulky tripod during your travels? Fear not. Adios to that. Travel tripods are designed to be compact and lightweight, making it a perfect companion for any adventure. I'm even able to put this one inside of my luggage, so that's why I use it. Versatility in challenging conditions. From capturing stunning time lapses to braving windy conditions, a travel tripod proves its worth by offering stability and support in challenging scenarios. There you have it, folks, the incredible benefits of owning a travel tripod for your photography and videography journey. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, a travel tripod opens up a world of creative possibilities, ensuring that your shots are sharp, steady, and sensational. I'm going to leave a link in the description section for you to check out the lightweight Small Rig Travel Tripod TPO2 for yourself. Of course, if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to press that like, that share, that subscribe, and smash that bell icon to get notifications for my upcoming content. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.